Welsh medium education is a type of bilingual education, and it's the type of education that allows your child to develop fluency in both Welsh and English.
The best time for your child to start learning Welsh is from the very beginning.
Research shows that children do very well with 2 languages or more for very early on.
Children are brilliant at adapting to new environments and taking on new challenges, and they can absorb a lot more information than an adult does. If you're able to send your children to a Welsh school when they start school, fantastic.
Research shows that children can learn languages easily, and one language does not cause problems to the other language.
Mae plant ifanc yn dysgu'r iaith Gymraeg yn gyflym iawn. Pan maen nhw'n cael eu boddi yn yr iaith, maen nhw'n pigo'r iaith i fyny yn gyflym iawn trwy ganu a chwarae ymysg ffrindiau.
Mae digon o gyfleoedd i'ch plentyn dal i fyny gyda'r Gymraeg. Os ydych yn hwyr ddyfodiaid i'r ardal, mae cefnogaeth yna ar gyfer cyfnod allweddol 2 ac i fyny i'r uwchradd.
As I'm younger, I think I get a grasp of it more than maybe an adult would.
Mae plant yn gallu dysgu ieithoedd os mae'n cael ei drochi i mewn yr iaith. Mae yna gymorth i'w gael, a'r peth gorau wneud ydy siarad efo'r ysgol i weld pa fath o gymorth sy'n yna yn eich ardal chi.
They're easily approachable. You can always call them, email them.
Hello, fy enw i Amala a dwi'n mynd i ysgol yma Hamadryad. They get lots of support even if they can't speak Welsh.
We support all of our families really carefully. All schools across Wales will send instructions home in both languages. Homework is always something that worries non-Welsh speakers. Any of the home learning tasks that we send home are sent home bilingually, so parents have the opportunity to access them in either Welsh or in English.
When you're not alone as parents, you naturally do worry, but just ask, and there's a lot of resources.
Welsh Medium Secondary School is a natural progression for your child if they've started in a Welsh Medium Primary School.
O brofiad personol, mae mynd trwy ysgol gyfrwng Cymraeg yn helpu ac yn hybu ddwyieithrwydd. Mae'n gwella sgiliau bob dydd ac mae'n creu siaradwyr llawer mwy rhugl.
Yeah, Welsh Medium Secondary School is really important to the development of any child's language skills and their appreciation of the culture that they've become part of in learning Welsh, in terms of the world of work and what your children are able to do when they're 16, 18, their confidence and their ability to be able to step into jobs where, Welsh language skills are important. There'll be so much more if they've had that extra 5 or 7 years in Welsh medium education.
The new curriculum is a fantastic opportunity to really promote the Welsh language. Schools and Welsh medium primary schools, the curriculum allows that flexibility to teach through really rich context for learnings, cross-curricular, and obviously the language is something that's to be weaved through every area of learning and every learning experience, and therefore your child is going to be at a significant advantage if they've experienced Welsh medium education and they've had those wealth of experiences right across the curriculum. So a really exciting time to start your Welsh medium journey.
You can learn with them. There are courses for adults through which you can learn Welsh. There's support for parents as well.
There's loads of help out there. You can turn on the TV, put the radio on. There are loads of apps. There are so many resources available to our children to help with their Welsh language. Mae Urdd Gobaith Cymru yn sefydliad pwysig mwyn gallu hybu ag hyrwyddo Gymraeg tu allan y stafell dosbarth. Rydyn ni'n cynnig gymaint o glybiau gwahanol ag ymrywiol o gerddoriaeth i DJ-o, i arlunio, ond hefyd yn ei wneud chwaraeon o bob math.
Hefyd mae llawer o fentrau iaith yn cynnig gweithgareddau tu allan i oriau ysgol ac yn ystod y gwyliau.
Wel, mae'n plant ni yn chwarae pêl-droed yn y Gymraeg. Mae nhw'n cael gwersi piano yn y Gymraeg, buon nhw'n cael gwersi dawns yn y Gymraeg. Ond fi'n gwybod bod hwnna jyst yn enghraifft bitw bach o'r math o bethau chi'n gallu gwneud trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg gyda tiwtoriad ac arweinwyr hyfryd wneith gefnogi nhw ar eu siwrne, nid yn unig yn y weithgaredd, ond yn dysgu'r iaith hefyd.
Of course, we keep learning language throughout our lifetime. So your child will keep learning Welsh and developing their Welsh skills as long as they use the language, and there are plenty of opportunities to do so.
Go to college, courses are available through the medium of Welsh, apprenticeships, and also in the workplace.
The Earth is open for young people up to the ages of 25 years old. So after leaving school, people can still use our facilities, join our sporting competition and join in the Eisteddfod.
Ti eisiau bwyd? Mae nhw'n mor cute. Helo.